morning. It's Sunday the 15th of July and I'm on my way up to the Royal Highland Centre because it's a Scottish car show today. Yesterday I had a day off and just getting stuff ready, I guess, for the show, and today I'm heading up to the car show. It's now 6:30, it starts at 9 o'clock, so I'm going to get in there and get set up. And then Tony from Mohair and Michael, they're coming through. They're going to have 2 chairs on the stand, cutting hair and cutting beards. And Kirsty Smiley, she's going to come and give me a hand on the stand as well. So I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a good day. It's always a busy show, I believe, so yeah, it's going to be interesting. There's a few friends coming up as well, which will be good. So yeah, I'll film what I can and share it with you guys, and I hope you have a good day. See you later. That's Sunday done. Scottish car show. First time we've done that one, and it was awesome. It was so busy, and a lot of cool cars kicking about. So I definitely do that one again. And I'm just heading home now. It's been so hot and muggy today, it's unreal. Need to get back to the lab, unload the gear, and get home and get a shower. It's good having Mohair on the stand again as well. They guys were busy, just non-stop cutting hair, which is good. And yeah, Kirsty was on the stand as well, and it's always a good laugh with Kirsty. But there's a few of the Brotherhood guys turned up as well, so it's good to see them. And yeah, a lot of interest in the products, which is always good. But just now I'm bouncing over speed bumps and heading home, get a shower, get some food, and see what tomorrow brings. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the Scottish car show through my eyes. And yeah, thanks. I'll see you later. See you in the next one. Cheers. Oh, I meant to say, we've also, next weekend, the 21st and 22nd of July, we're at the Royal Highland Centre again for the Scottish Motorcycle Show. I'm still not entirely sure of the real name. I don't have any documentation in here, but I'm sure it's the Scottish Motorcycle Show at the Royal Highland Centre again. It's outdoor again for us, so yeah, hopefully the weather stays good, and we're going to have 2 barbers from Mohair Barbers this time. So yeah, it's going to be good. So if you're in the area, come along and see us. We'll have the latest gear again, and yeah, it'll be a good show. I believe we've got stunt shows, all the top manufacturers, and us. So it'll be good. But yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment if you like, and I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, I'm away this time. Thanks again. See you later.